welcome to my channel. Happy Sunday Fun Day. We got a couple of things to present, so let's just get started. DIY number 1. For this DIY, we're gonna need a round wooden plaque. We're gonna need the Liquitex, and we're gonna need a transfer image that we printed out of our printer. So what I'm doing now is I'm applying a Liquitex on the wood and on the transfer sheet, and I'm gonna just transfer it on the clock, and softly with the roller I want to make sure that there is no air between the paper and the wood. And after staying overnight, getting dry very well, I'm removing the transfer sheet, and voila, look at the look. Looks so good. Next, what am I doing is I'm making a hole in the middle of the clock so we can put the movement kit with the handles. With the help of my rotary tool kit, it's super easy. I got this rotary kit from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale, I believe. If I find the link, I'll post it in my description. I made the hole, and I'm about to put the mechanism with the handles. When the movement kit for the clock is done, I'm making another hole on top of the clock so I can put a hook. And here is the final look. I purchased these hooks from Joann's. They were like $2.49, and I think it looks beautiful. I'm very satisfied with it. I hope you guys like it too, and some of you gonna try to do this project as well. I would like to mention that this video is part of Sunday Funday Challenge, hosted by super talented, amazing, beautiful ladies, Trish and Kay, Crafting Cousins, and Deco Easy, Diane and Jenny. So please, when you're done watching my video, go and visit their channel, subscribe and like them, and see what they have created for today's day. And also, there is a giveaway on my channel, so please watch the end of the video, and it's gonna be on description as well, explained. DIY number 2, we're using 2 candles from Dollar Tree. We are using tissue paper and a wax paper. I'm using a blow dryer to melt the tissue paper into the wax candle, and as I move the blow dryer across the design, it will begin to melt and disappear. And now we can see the design and not the paper, and it's ready. DIY number 3, I just took these old candles that I have and I transferred them into rustic looking candles with the help of white chalk paint and a truffle paint. And here is the final look. DIY number 4, I'm using a mold and I'm making flowers with a clay that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. They were on sale for like $2.49, And I'm making these flower designs, and when I make the designs, I'm gonna let them stay overnight so they can dry, and I'm gonna use them on my project. In the meantime, I'm using this wooden plaque from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna paint them with a chalk paint all over. I'm gonna put 2 or 3 coats until I cover all those letters and designs on the woods. Next, I got this hexagon tray on sale from Joann's. I think I bought it for like $7 or something. It was on sale. I'm doing the same thing. I'm using a chalk paint and I'm painting it all over. And when it's all dry, I'm going to try to connect them. What we're going to do is we're going to make a tray table. And I'm trying to measure so I can punch a hole so we can put the screws on. So now with the toolkit, I'm making a little holes so it will be easier for me to put the screws. I also put a hole on the wood plaques. And now I'm ready to connect them. To get it more secure, I'm adding some wood glue as well. Now when it's all connected, I'm adding spackling, I think that's how we call it, that we got at Dollar Tree, so we can cover the screw holes and all the things around the table. Now it's the fun part. Here are the flowers that I made from the clay. They came out beautiful, nice and dry, and I got some wood flowers from Hobby Lobby as well. So now we're gonna try to put them on the side of the table, trying to make some nice decoration. I'm using some wood glue and some crazy glue, crazy hot glue as well. I'm also adding these wood corners that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. All these designs, you can also find them at Hobby Lobby wood department, and they have tons of them and they're always on sale. So now when they're all nice and glued, we're gonna paint them with a chalk paint first. We're going all over the wood designs. And now I'm airbrushing it with a truffle chalk paint so I can give that rustic look on the table. With the help of the truffle airbrush, you can see the design on each flower and each wooden corner that we put on the side of the table. So we are dry brushing the handles as well and the corners. And now when all that is done, I'm using a hazelnut chalk paint as well, so we can give more rustic look. I'm going all over the table as well. And here is the final look. I put some greenery on top, and I put my vintage porcelain lamp that I had over 25 years. It was hidden somewhere in the basement. I just cleaned it up. I put it together. It was broken. I didn't record that one, but it was like all separated. So I put it together, glue it. I put her some bow on the head. And here you go. It looks beautiful, like a shabby chic French farm look. Then I put another look with the candles and the candle holders that we DIYs. And I put the Saint Mary with Jesus icon that I have it over 20 years as well. That's a present from my aunt that she gave it to me. And I like this look as well. I put a couple of looks. I put with the elephants as well, just to see which look is gonna look the better. Let me know. But I really like this corner table. We can use it for everything. For the giveaway, to participate, you need to be subscribed to my channel and to the other ladies as well. And you will need to make a comment on my channel with a flower emoji. And you got until next week to enter, May 8th. I think it's May 8th. And then we're gonna announce who's gonna be the winner. On the giveaway, there is Victoria's Secret products, Bath and Body Work products, some Dollar Tree products, scarves, some wooden designs, some flowers, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna add extra stuff. But this is just a look to show you what is gonna be on the giveaway. Good luck to everybody. Thank you for watching, and please make sure you go visit Crafting Cousins and Deco Easy, and make sure you like and subscribe their channel. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a beautiful Sunday, and until the next time, CJ and family.